Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this lesson I am going to explain what is spinning top candlestick pattern, how we can identify this candlestick pattern and how this pattern helps us to understand the trend reversal. Okay, so let's start. It is a single candlestick pattern and very important candlestick pattern. Spinning top candlestick pattern looks like this. It has small body and long tail. Its body is always located within middle of the candle and its tails are big, both upper and lower shadow. So now we will see condition of the spinning top candlestick pattern. It is a single candlestick pattern. It means basically there is a indecision between buyers and sellers, that there is no clarity between the buyers and sellers. We have already discussed such type of candlestick pattern in the evening star and morning star candlesticks also. So it means indecision, that there is no clarity in the market. Both buyers and sellers are in a wait and watch conditions. They have no strong belief that where market can go. Sellers are waiting for the buyers. If they stop, they will sell the market, and if buyers are waiting for the sellers, if they gonna stop, then buyers will buy the market. So this candle looks like this. Strong of it shows a strong tug of war between buyers and sellers, and they bring the market between middle of the candle and it's open and close or close to each other. So we got a small body here with long tails. As I have already explained that both bulls and bears are in a wait and watch condition. Its body is small, long shadows. It could be any candle, both bearish candle or bullish one. Bullish or bearish candle. Basically it means trend reversal. For example, market was falling from this level. So once we got such type of candle here, it means that somehow selling market has been stopped and there is sign of market can go to the upside. Somehow sellers have been reduced and small proportion of buyers are coming back. Or if we gonna find such type of candle at the uptrend, it also means the similar that bulls are now getting stopped and sellers are came back. So it's very important for trend reversal. Its interpretation is same, that it is trend reversal and we will trade with proper stop loss and minimum 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Now we will go to chart and I will explain it there. Okay, alright. Just focus on this candle. You can see that it is GBP JPY H1 chart. You can see that there was a sell trend here. Market was falling, but right after this candle of spinning top, market trend was changed. It went to the upside and we got a bullish trend. First a downward trend, we got spinning top. First a downward trend, then we got spinning top candlestick, and after that you can see market trend was changed and market went to the upside. It has worked for the trend reversal. Earlier sellers were in control, but here we got spinning top and after that you can see market trend was changed and it became bullish trend. Another example of spinning top, Euro JPY H4 chart. You can see market was falling. We got a spinning top candlestick here and right after that market went to the upside. LR downward trend, spinning top, confusion between the buyers and sellers, indecision, 50-50 chances of that market can go to either direction. So right after that market trend was changed and we got a bullish trend. So it's very important candlestick pattern, single candlestick pattern. Once again I will repeat, single candlestick pattern, small body, long tail. Either we will find it on the bottom or on the top of the market. It could be any bullish candle or bearish candle. Basically it stands for trend reversal. Okay, alright, so this was the explanation of spinning top candlestick pattern. I am sure that now you have clear concept of it. Okay, thank you.